Good morning, BraveHeart Nation. Good afternoon and good evening. Yeah, this is Dr. Darrell Wolf, and I'm coming to you from, it's called Coffs Harbor, and we're doing a major training here, and it's going to be starting a week from this Saturday. Go check us out on BraveHeart Nation, where I'll be doing the Whole Life Coach certification, Wolf non-surgical certification, and the pelvic restoration for women, except it won't be me. It'll be some beautiful women that are going to be flying in here from America. Now, I have the privilege and the honor to have my dear friend, Jim Gale, okay, from Food Forest Abundance, and he's going to be bringing us all up to speed. And Jim's going to be bringing us all up to speed on what's going on with one of the biggest projects in the world to teach people how the tobacco industry that owns the food corporations are not going to put a chokehold on us. Jim?
Hey, buddy. Thank you so much, Dr. Wolf. I just love your energy and what you do, what you're all about. So we are demonstrating freedom on every conceivable level. We take the poisons out of our lives and we grow food instead of lawns. Now, I'm at a place what we call the Modern Homestead or the Freedom Farm Academy right now. And this has only been in the ground about 3 months. Right? In this little tiny patch of ground here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'd say 30 different food-producing plants in this one tiny little area. And then if you look everywhere around us, every tree you see, every plant you see, even the ground cover is called sunshine mimosa, and it's absolutely productive. It fixes the soil, right? So this is what we are doing. We are helping people to get completely off-grid, to create their own modern homestead that creates all of the food, water, and energy on site. Can you imagine living completely free? Now, here's the kicker. It's less maintenance than fun. Whole area has not been mowed one time in the last 3 or 4 months. When you put a cherry tree, like this is a cherry tree, when you put a system like this in the ground and you put a proper guild around it, a guild is a community of plants that love each other, that support each other, that benefit each other. Then you could come back in 30 years and you've got not only a massive food production system, but a system that provides an exponential amount of seeds. It's literally a free energy system, right? That's what nature or God's design is. It's a free energy production system.
So you don't grow gardens, Jim. You don't grow gardens.
Oh, no. Everything we know about growing food is wrong. Here's what's right. Does anybody remember the concept of the idea of the Garden of Eden? A place that just has massive amounts of food everywhere and life and joy and abundance and health and wellness. There's no fear and scarcity in our community, right? We put that aside. Fear and scarcity, as you all know, is the ultimate toxin. So we design systems to be life-giving, and we, as a result of our combined efforts, you and I, and everybody listening, when we take the poison out and grow food instead of lawns, we reverse deforestation and mass extinction and cancer and diabetes and heart disease. We end world hunger, we end tyranny, and we create peace on earth. Now, I know a lot of people don't think that's possible. Come along for the ride. It's not only possible, it's inevitable.
You know what? And guess what, everyone? You better get this. It doesn't happen without massive personal action. It doesn't happen unless you believe that you're responsible from the moment you rise until you close your eyes for every breath, for every beating of your heart, everything that goes on. You know what? Are you done sitting on the couch eating nachos? Because I'm going to tell you something right now. Guess what? Convenience is killing the world. And guess what? It isn't convenient, okay, to not be the master of your body, of your mind. Jim?
Oh, that's so true. And the steward of your land. Like, that's what's so fun. Look at this pond. We dug a hole, and we let it fill up with water naturally. planted food-producing plants on the edge of the pond, and now